Hello. So today we are going to make an impossible coconut pie. It's super easy for you to make and you're gonna love it because it's easy and it's yummy. The first thing we're gonna do, set your oven to 350, and then we're gonna need a quarter cup of softened butter. And 3/4 of a cup of sugar. This is really easy to make because you just pretty much put everything together. Two and 3/4 of a cup. That's not a full quarter cup. Go. 3/4 of a cup of sugar. You want 4 eggs. I'm actually going to use duck eggs. Which are quite large. So see, they're very, very eggy, like yolky. You can use regular eggs. I just happen to have these duck eggs, and I think it makes baked goods richer when you use duck eggs. But they are quite large, so I'm only going to use 3 instead of 4. But regularly you want to use 3 regular chicken eggs. So, and then we want 2 cups of milk. You want You're going to want 1/2 cup of Bisquick. Now if you want to, you can add some coconut extract or vanilla extract. You don't really need to, but if you would like, it can certainly pump up the flavor a bit. Some milk here. And then you're going to want to blend it all. Now you could make this even in a blender and it would work fine. I'm going to do it with a hand mixer though. So I will be right back. And see, the butter's going to be in like all these weird little like chunks. And that's fine. It's going to look like that. And it's okay. Now you're going to want to take a pie plate. And spray that with some Pam or whatever cooking spray, or oil it down. However you want to grease it is fine. I'm using a bit of cooking spray. And now we are going to pour all of this into the pie plate. Weird butter mixture and all. I know it looks really strange, but it's going to be fine. It really is. And then we're going to take a cup of coconut. Now you can stir this in beforehand. I like to put it in like this on top. Just sort of get it around. It will all bake in and the top will get like kind of toasty. And then if you like, you could also shake a little nutmeg on like that. I love nutmeg. It smells so good, it tastes so good. And then we're gonna pop it into the oven for 50 minutes. So here it is. Isn't it pretty? And I'm just gonna tap the top of it. It's all firm. And I'm gonna take a slice out. See, there's like this really tasty custard with the coconut all on the top here. It's so good. Really, really yummy. So, thanks for watching. Remember to share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And remember to always be kind, even if they don't make you some delicious Impossible coconut pie. Bye-bye, kitty cats.